Well, now let's open this, okay, and see what's inside. What kind of seeds? I know that they are like small, but we'll see. Hi there, it's George here, and today I will start growing from seed Ficus Benghalensis. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Well, randomly I found this plant seeds was sold on my internet, and I decided to buy seeds. And also I am a fan of Lost TV show, and this plant growing on the island when the Lost was shot, and you know, I loved the plant. The area roots just climbing on everywhere, growing I mean, and I don't know if the pot will not grow like in the image here, as you can see, so beautiful. But anyway, I ordered seeds, they arrived as you can see, and I made a video when I did an unboxing. Link is in description. And now it's time for sowing these seeds, but from what I did understand, it germinates over at least 2 weeks up to 6 weeks, so just I will have to wait. But let me start germination process. Well, now let's open this, okay, and see what's inside. What kind of seeds? I know that they are like small, but we'll see. They are in such paper, and you can see how the seeds are the size. Here I already put soil, universal potting soil, which I have to water, but first of all let me show you the seeds how they tiny. As you can see, they are so tiny, and they sow above, and I push a little bit. But now I have to water this potting soil with room temperature water, and let's do that. Easy. It seems it's okay for this. Now it's time for sowing these ficus seeds. Well done, I finished this, but I have to press a little bit. Now I have to put this pot in a plastic bag to keep moist inside. And the name and date I write here. Let's do that. Well, I hope these ficus seeds will germinate, and I will make another video, well, or I will let the pot here in this small greenhouse, or I will bring in my home. I will see. Just here in the day it's very hot, but in these days it's not very hot because outside is windy, and not like this summer is not very hot yet, but will come hot days. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.